Friday, April 28th, 5:31 p.m. New York time. U.S. stock market is closed. Today was the last trading day for the U.S. stock market for the month of April. So I think it's important to look at the higher time frame. That means each candlestick we'll look at represents the current month. And that will identify it for trending up, trending down, or an acceleration. And that will clearly point out leadership. We'll look at the major U.S. stock indexes. First one being the S&P 500. Again, note the S&P 500 stock index is comprised of several smaller indexes. For the month, it closed green at a higher high, higher low. Tiny trading range. It's in this zone, supply zone, because up here there are prior sellers referred to as a supply zone. Yep. Very interesting. Just such a small trading range. All that volatility this whole month and still had a small trading range. It's like it took out of the garage, but didn't leave the driveway. NASDAQ 100, new high for the year. So again, technology is leading. Technology. Again, small trading range, very small, extremely small. Wow. Dow Jones Industrial Average, it's green, higher high, higher low, but still has not taken out the high of the year. And the Dow Transports, red, made a lower high, lower low than the prior month. It's pretty much all in a tight consolidation here. And the Dow Utilities, wow, green, higher high, higher low. It's doing better than transportation. It's okay. Still in this tight consolidation range here. And the Russell 2000, lower high, lower low, inside candle. Yep, very bearish. It's struggling down here. So again, technology, NASDAQ is the leadership. But we'll look at which sectors, because again, the NASDAQ 100 is inside the S&P 500, as well as the Dow Transports, and Dow Utilities. And inside the S&P 500, there are several sectors, and we're going to look at those. There are 11 sectors. We'll look at the order. The largest sector first. Same thing. Each candle will be a month. XLK. XLK is technology. Yep. It represents over 20% of the S&P 500. Just like the NASDAQ almost. New high for the year. Nice green. Higher high, higher low. And the strength is right there. And you can buy this as a stock ETF. You don't have to do the individual companies right here. You can buy one share. XLV, that's healthcare. It makes up almost 15% in the S&P 500. It's green. Higher high, higher low. XLF, well, that's financials. It makes up 13.7% of the S&P 500. And look what it did. It closed yellow candle. Very small trading range near the bottom. Yeah. Couldn't take out the high nor the low. XLY, consumer discretionary, makes up 10.2% of the S&P 500. Also inside candle. Small trading range. XLC, that's communication services, new high for the year. XLI, industrials, inside candle. All this tight consolidation, building a lot of energy for some movement at some point in time. XLP, consumer staples, makes up 6.7% of the S&P 500. Nice new high for the year. So remember, the stock indexes, the NASDAQ 100, new high. But the sectors, we already see several of them showing leadership. XLE, energy, makes up 6% of the S&P 500. Red, did make a higher high, higher low, small trading range. XLU, Utilities makes up 2.8% of the S&P 500. Green, higher, high, higher, low. XLRE, real estate, makes up 2.7% of the S&P 500. Also inside candle. A lot of inside candles in small trading range. Interesting. XLB, materials, makes up 2.5%. Also inside candle. Tight consolidation. Yep. A lot of them are just not doing the follow through. So we got the XLK, new high for the year. XLC, X-ray limit Charlie, new high for the year. XLP, X-ray limit Papa, new high for the year. So already, if you're doing stock ETFs, those are the ones you should be considering to focus on. Yep, nice. The stock indexes, NASDAQ 100, the stock ETFs, these three I mentioned that are new highs. And within them, in these sectors, there's industries. Yep, there's several industries in each one. So you can narrow that down, which one's the best industry inside XLP, XLC, XLK. Let's go look at the FANG Plus. FANG Plus.